We're having an expo tonight and I'm coming with a very open mind. I think I'm going to be surprised as much as anybody else just to see the beauty of the work that they've done over the year.
Our goal is to, by the end of this, have built a drone completely from scratch. We're laser cutting the base of it and 3D printing the rest.
There wasn't a cybersecurity club when I got here. I was there when that started. There wasn't a robotics club. This kind of all came up in the last 4 years or so. It's mostly been started by students who've been interested in all this stuff, going to moderators or teachers and asking if they can do a club. The school then provides some funding and they're able to buy some nice gadgets.
We want students to be interested in their clubs first. And if we see that interest is solid, where we can make that investment into curriculum and a teacher, then we will most definitely move forward with providing that opportunity. Next school year, we will offer 2 new classes, Computer Science A and Cybersecurity, that's offered through Project Lead the Way. I am hoping, and the vision is to maybe offer advanced robotics, where the kids are not just operating within a club to build robots, that they're working in a full class with a curriculum.
What's the project you've worked on? What's the experiment you've designed? That just really excites me.
We played the game of billiards in real life, it did not go so well. So we decided, all right, how can we visualize all this in a mathematical perspective? We calculated the max thrust we could produce with this. We should be able to achieve 7 meters per second squared of acceleration straight up.
Billiards is taking a bunch of math, physics, science, and putting it into a fun game where you have to calculate where the ball's gonna go in order to win.
That's really fast. It's like the opposite of gravity, so it's like shooting up that fast into the air. We're not very good, but we did learn a lot.
Not only are you constructing a robot that you could put in competitions and control yourself, but you're also meeting people. And I feel like that is probably the better part of the collaboration process.
This expo is tonight is a collaboration among all of the moderators, the iSTEAM committee, and our iSTEAM teachers who are working together to provide these opportunities for our boys.
The blessing of being a science teacher here extends to the fact that I get to enjoy such a great night like this tonight and see the happiness that the kids have brought to the school.